Hey everybody, and welcome back to the MindCatcher's channel. It is Boxy Charm time once again. This is November's Boxy Charm, and the whole theme of this box is Gold Digger. I have my little cheat sheet here. Everything is all about gold and the bling. So I am super excited about this month's box because I used all of the things on my face. So everything that I could use in that box that goes on the face is on my face right now. One of you guys said in my last BoxyCharm video, that is, why don't you use some of the products so we could see them and all of that jazz? So I did that for you, and I'm going to have like a little box over here so you can see me applying the products while I'm talking about them. So you guys know what it is. BoxyCharm is a beauty subscription service that is $21 a month. They also have a BoxyLuxe box. You get a few extra items for a little bit more. I'm going to jump right into this box. Alright guys, so all of the specs of my box will be down in the description box, so please take a look down there. Also the weight of my box, because a lot of you have asked me that. So I made sure to include it this month. All right, the first thing in my box is the CoverFx glitter drops, and mine is in the shade Nova. I'm not sure if there will be other shades or if Nova is the only shade. Not really sure. I didn't see any real sneak peeks of any other shades. I might check out Instagram a little later. But it says these ultra concentrated drops of multi-dimensional glitter create a high impact reflective finish that wows. And I can tell you guys that is true. I am wearing it on my cheeks right now. And I think I have a little clip to show you guys me applying it. I also have it in the inner corner of my eye. So glowy and so beautiful, especially on tan and darker skin tones. I think it's going to be gorgeous on you guys. It's beautiful. So I am very, very excited. We'll be getting lots of use out of this. I'm even thinking you could possibly put this in like some body lotion or something like that. Put this on your legs, things like that for the spring and summertime coming up. All right, so this is $44. The next product I want to show you guys is from Luxy, and these are brushes. It says add a little sparkle to your brush collection with this limited edition BoxyCharm collaboration. This Luxie Luminous Eye Set features 4 synthetic eye brushes exclusively wrapped for BoxyCharm. Alright, so you have the 141 mini round brush, the 121 mini tapered brush, the 111 mini flat brush, and the 131 mini angled brush. And this little set retails for $21. I did use the angled brush. I used the mini round brush. I believe that's this one. And I also used the tapered brush. Loved it. Loved all of them. They will be in my permanent little collection here of brushes on my desk, because I put all of the brushes I reach for the most right here on my desk. So that's where they're going. The next product in the box is from JonteBlu. I think that's how they pronounce it. I do not know. JonteBlu, JonteBlu, JonteBlu. I don't know. But anyway, it's a glittering star eyeliner. And this says sparkle up your glam with the JonteBlu glittering star eyeliner. This specially formulated black glitter eyeliner glides on smoothly, leaving behind a long-lasting subtle shimmer that you'll completely adore. I will say that it's not as subtle as they say it is. I mean, you're getting a lot of sparkle out of this stuff. I am really enjoying their pencils. We did get another one of their pencils. I can't remember which box it was, but here it is right here. This is a darker brown eyeliner. Really like this. I use it for my brows sometimes too. So I'm digging their eyeliners. I think they did a fabulous job with these. Nice price point too. So let's keep going. We have a pair of Lashaholic lashes in this box. It says elevate your eye look with your new Lashaholic lashes. These 100% vegan falsies made from premium silk fibers give your lashes dimension and natural looking length and volume, and they retail for $14.99. They are gorgeous, even on my little hooded eyes, my little slanty eyes. I think that they look very nice. I could have stood to cut the ends just a little bit, but I tried to, you know, leave them intact so you guys can see. But I think when I wear them again, I will cut the ends just a little bit. I feel like they're a little too long for my little eyes. But they are very, very pretty. And this is the last product inside of the box. This is from ASA Beauty, and this is their Grandiose palette. It is so pretty. Look at that black and gold. It is so blinged out. And the colors inside are so super pigmented. Now, I didn't swatch all of the colors, but I will tell you that I am wearing Primrose on my lid. I'm also wearing Myrtle on my lid, which is a bronzier color. The Primrose is more of a gold, and it's not a yellow gold. It's more of an antique gold. It's beautiful. I'm also wearing Cinnamon on my lid. So, and I did add in a black because I wanted to really define my outer corner. But I will give you swatches of the other ones. You have Poppy, which is a beautiful reddish tone, very pigmented. The pigmentation in this palette is very, very nice. You have Rose, which is a gorgeous tone as well. You have Patchouli or Patchouli, very, very soft and silky. And these are just one swatch. You see my fingers are not wet at all. You have the shade Jasmine, which is a shimmer shade. Gorgeous. That's Jasmine right over there. And the last one is called Clove, kind of a corally color. See if I can get that on my, it's right there. So nice coral shade, beautiful pigmentation. And I put the camera farther back, and I know you guys can see that on my skin tone. So that's without any primer, any wetting of my brush, nothing like that. The pigmentation is insane. So you guys will be absolutely ecstatic about this month's box. They did an excellent job. This palette retails for $24.99. So let's recap. We had the CoverFx glitter drops, awesome, bling bling, gorgeous, $44. We had the Grandiose palette, and that's $24.99. Beautiful shades, gorgeous. We had the Luxie Luminous Eye Set, and I just put those away. We had the JonteBlu Glittering Star Eyeliner Pencil. I did use it in my lower lash line, and there is a little glitz going on as I move my head around. You do see a little glimmer. That retail for $5, and we have the Lashaholic lashes. That's giving us that flirtatious sexiness that we all crave. That is $14.99. So in all, the Gold Digger November box, I told you guys that November and December is usually on point. They did it again. Love the November box, and I'm sure you guys will too. I will be posting the complete tutorial for this look very shortly. When I do, I will have the link in my description box or above, so you guys can just click right there. Please leave down in the comments section how you like this box. If you receive another variation of this box, I would love to know what you got. Also, I do have a secret link down below, so go in the description box and check it out. It will be worth your time. I will talk to you guys in the next video. Cyber kisses. Bye.